Brown like this, brown like this, brown like this, brown like this, brown like that. White like this, yellow like that, green like this, whatever. That's for you. It's for you.
You and I know you ain't about that life.
Back to my channel. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor, and we are getting into it today with Nadula hair. Be confident, be bold, be you. Her. So, I'm coming through with the unit. She is an Auburn Jerry curl wig, okay? She is 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. This is a Jerry curl wig, reddish brown, dark Auburn colored lace, okay? She has a 13x4 lace front. 13x4. She has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back. She has an adjustable straps and a band, Wakanda Forever, okay? As well as lace in the background. Really pretty color. Really, 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 really pretty color. Okay, so I'm excited to get on into this unit. This unit for 24 inches at 150% density is currently going for actually, this isn't bad. For 150% density, it's $215. Nadula is having a large tax sale coming soon, so you guys really need to look out for that so you can get your good old units for the low low, okay? Because this is actually very, very inexpensive. $216. I know what y'all saying, like, girl, please. But it is. So let's talk about what Nadula provided us. Not did we just get a bag, okay? We also got the Nadula robe, which I have on right freaking now, okay? We also got our translucent wig cap, our Nadula edge layer, lace layer, okay? Some nails. One day I'm gonna try these nails. One day I'm gonna do it, okay? Some nails. And then a Nadula clip, okay? So I am just going to do a real simple style on this one. Sorry, guys, that was loud. I'm just going to do a real simple style on this particular unit, and we're going to get her together and see what she's working with. I'm going to use my jagged, okay? These are my jagged scissors to get her together. I washed my hands 20 times today. That's why my hands look so dry, y'all. Like, why do my hands look white like that? This really does make a difference with the lace. I like to cut my lace first. It's a personal preference, okay? And then I throw her up on my head. I don't know why I do it. I just feel most comfortable. It's just my way. You could obviously put your unit on and then, you know, cut the lace. That's up to you. But I just choose to do it this way. Also because I like to use my jagged scissors and they really don't hit the head the way we might want them to. So they're not as flat as like a regular pair of hair scissors where you can kind of get under that lace. So I'm just going to tackle it right now. And then I'm going to throw it on my head and see what she's looking like. Because I'm trying to figure out, I actually don't think I'm going to need to do much. I'm a proponent of darkening up your lace regardless. But I like the color of this unit right now. I like the color of it right now. A little bit. She a little ashy, just like my hands, child. Just like my hands. So let's throw her on. Do I have a kickboard? I just be having these things on my head sometimes. Sometimes I don't. I don't be knowing what's going on. And let me throw this on. So the band is really supposed to be used like if you want to wear this unit glueless. I don't think I'm going to glue. I think I'm going to glue it down. Well, let's put her on and see what she's looking like. We're going to glue her down.
All right, my loves, let's dig on into this unit by Nadula Hair. So again, this is the Auburn Jerry curl wig. She's 13x4 lace frontal, okay? She's 150% density, and at 24 inches, mother right now is going for $216.37 mammy tatum cents. So I want you guys to really take your time and check out Nadula.com. They're in a season of sales, okay? So you can go ahead and get you a unit that is quality for a very inexpensive price, okay? So I'm just going on through and laying this unit on down. I use the Ibn freeze spray or lace spray to kind of get her together. Now I'm going to go on and just comb this unit out with my wide tooth comb. Once combed out, I'm going to go on through. I just really want to make sure I get like a cute part because I want to see what mother is looking like, just fresh and ready to go, okay? We're going to see how we're going to style her. Definitely something out the face because the mother is serving today.
I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I don't want to do nothing to this unit. I'm going to because I love y'all. But I'm saying all that to say, let me shut my Mimi tape mouth.
Okay, so again, going in with my wide tooth comb, I am just going to go on through and lay this unit just a little bit at the top with my Andy straightening comb. And I'm just going to do 2 twists, very simple to the back. Just twisting into the back so we can get a really nice, simple look. So I'm wetting her up just a little bit and using my Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus curl. I think it's like a curl mousse. And let me tell you something, it keeps the hair soft, but it also makes it much more easy to work through and deal with. This unit, the hair is very, very soft. The cap is very, very big. I had to Wakanda Forever her in the back, but we made sure mother was laid and we got these 2 twists on end. So I'm just using bobby pins to secure her. And let me tell you something, baby. She came all the way through. I'm pulling out just a little bit of hair around the perimeter for a more natural look. And let's dig on into her.
That's it. That's all I have to say. Buy this wig. This unit is phenomenal. She's big hair friendly. She shed a little bit because I really went through and was combing her out. This unit is fire. The color is everything. If you burn like this, burn like this, burn like this, burn like this, burn like that. White like this, yellow like that, green like this, whatever. It's for you. It's for you. Okay? This unit is fire. I'm stressed. I love this unit so much. I love this so much that I have to go. I need other people in the world to see it. That's the truth. I need other people in the world to see it. This unit is fire. Are y'all picking her up? Are you picking up what she is putting down? You know, I'm not a big baby hair girl. I like my wigs to look like, oh, okay, she kind of just like, that thing is thangin' high key. Like, is that scalp? Is that her? Maybe. I would darken this up a bit. This definitely needs some love, sex, and magic, so I'm going to give it that. But let me tell you something. Phenomenal. There's absolutely nothing wrong. This wig is a 10 out of 10. Did you hear me in the back, baby? A 10 out of 10. She's absolutely, positively perfection. Perfection. She's soft. She was soft out the pack. She's soft right now. Okay? I'm just going on through. I want this to be a little bit darker. I genuinely don't have nothing else to say. I didn't even want to style her up because I thought big and sexy she was perfect. She cute like this too. And all I did was just twist it up, throw in some bobby pins. Nothing major. Something small. Perfection. Perfection. We used a little bit of our Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Frizz Free Curl Mousse. I'll make sure to leave that in my Amazon store so you guys can pick that up because honestly, she's cheaper on Amazon than she is in Target. And I know because I went to Target yesterday and spent $12 on it. Okay, let me turn around. Thick, stank, nasty, okay? Worth every single last red, made me sick, every single penty. Every single penty. She's nasty. Do you hear me? She's a working girl. I'm stressed. I genuinely don't have anything else to say about this unit. She, for 150% density, is going for $217 and get her now. Run, go, grab her. Vamonos. I'm genuinely stressed. I'm genuinely stressed. I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Tell me what you think. Look how easy. Look just easy. Why I look a little ashy over here, y'all? Might be my imagination. Maybe. Look at this. Just easy. An easy unit. An easy unit. She is beautiful. She is stunning. She is smart. She is funny. She is brilliant. She could tie her shoes. She could go out. She could do your taxes. She out here doing surgery or whatever the case may be. She is out here, she's definitely like balancing the books. She's doing all the things. You're going to make your money back on this one. I don't care. I don't care. She's everything. She's everything. I don't have nothing else to say. I'm about to have a breakdown. I need to go. And believe it or not, I need some coffee. Believe it or not. Okay, so I'm your girl, Intisar Eleanor. Do me a favor. Bust down. Subscribe to this Mammy Tatton channel. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Check out this stink. Look at this goddamn color. God damn it. Nasty. And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later.